Hi, friend. So I am here with a wonderful idea for a last minute Christmas gift. If you are like me and you just couldn't think of a gift to give somebody, or you forgot about somebody and you need a last minute Christmas gift, I am here to help you solve your problem. I solved my own problem. So I needed a Christmas gift, and I came up with the idea to print out some of the AI art that I had and have it framed and use it for a Christmas gift. And it came out so cute that I'm like, I know there's got to be other people who need a last minute gift idea. And this can be done. You can print the picture out in an hour at a Walgreens, a CVS, a Staples, or any place like that. Well, I'm not sure if Staples does an hour, but I know for sure at Walgreens you can get pictures printed out in an hour. Simply buy a frame for the picture. I got my frames from Walmart, and that's it. You're done. Right now, Walgreens has pictures on sale for 50% off. And at Walmart, you can get a frame for anywhere between $3 all the way up to like $25, depending on the size frame that you have to get. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the beautiful art that I had printed out, and then I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so let's go get the pictures. Okay, the first picture is this picture here. She is so cute. It was printed out at Walgreens, and the frame was bought at Walmart. And this entire picture costs less than, I think it was $7 or $8 for the print and for the frame. Okay, next up is this picture. Oh, it's hard to tell with the light there. There you go. This picture. And next up, these are so adorable. They're going to make great gifts. This one has to be my favorite one right here. This one's my favorite. So let me show you how I did these pictures. Oh, I did. I forgot one. And this one. Too cute. So let me show you how I did these pictures. Okay, here we are over in Canva, and I'm going to show you all of these pictures that were created. The image was created using AI, but then I came into Canva and I jazzed it up with a background and personalization and everything. So these are pictures that were made using AI, and then I added the background, the elements, and things that you see. So let's do it this way, and we can go faster here. Yeah, so these are pictures that I created, and I was on a roll and I created so many, and they are all so very cute. So these are some examples of pictures that you can print out and have them for a gift. So it's easy as this. You want to take this picture, and let's see, I'll use this one because I already know that I removed the background. So this picture, I removed the background because the background was black, and I added this Chanel back here, so I can take that out, and now I'm just left with a picture. So this picture, I can personalize and put anything on it. So say I have a friend named Denise, and I need to create a gift for Denise. I could just simply go, and I want to personalize it to make it, better for her, because people love personalized things. I'm just going to go to text, click on text here, and let's add a heading. And I'm going to just, come on, there we go. And I'm just going to add a name. Let's say, we said Denise, right? Her name is Denise. But we want to do a cuter font than that. So Let's find a font and let's do a script. No, we don't like that one. Let's try Brittany. Brittany's always a good font. Oh, maybe I'll take the caps locks off and that might help. And I'm just doing this. You're doing this with me. This is how I came up with the pictures that I did just from playing around with them. So that one doesn't look bad. We like that one. But we could also change the color to make it look even better. So I am going to change it. And then, on Canva, you can change the color and match it to the art that you have. So let's change this to pink. And there we go. We could give that picture to Denise just like that. And she would be so excited to have this picture because it's so very cute. We could do this. We could put the name down here at the bottom. So many different things that you can do with these pictures. So I just went in and I personalized a lot of these pictures by just changing the background, adding something to the background, and just coming up with a different picture. So that's what I did. That's how I got those pictures that I'm going to give to my family. These pictures were created in a 16 by 20 size. So let me show you the step that you would do once you decide which picture you want to print out. So you just go up here to share and you're going to download, and then the page, well, we're going to download it as a PNG, or you could do JPEG. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. I usually do PNG. So you could do PNG or you can do JPEG. Once you select that, and then this has what I have here has 71 pages, 71 pictures. So I'm just going to select the picture that I want. And right now we're going to do page 4 because that's the one that I made for Denise. So you select that, you select done, and then you select download. And the picture is going to download into your downloads folder. And then you're going to send that picture over to Walgreens, have it printed out, buy a frame for it. And that's your easy peasy last minute Christmas gift. And that's it. That's all. That's what I wanted to show you. So I will say, if you are not skilled at using AI, or you just want pictures that are already done for you, I am going to offer you these pictures here. There are 70 pictures that you can, let me get this off of here. Okay. There are 70 pictures here, and they can all be personalized. The colors can be changed to whatever you want to change them to. You can add names to them. You can take the names off of them. But yeah, I'm gonna have a link with all of these pictures, and you can use these pictures and you can do whatever you need to do with them. Look at this puppy. He's so cute. Let's select him. Who doesn't love a cute Yorkie? So you say if you didn't want this background to be this color, you simply go here and let's make it a white background. And there you have it. You could add somebody's name to it. If their favorite color was purple, we could change the color and let's see, we could make it purple. Let's try that. Purple. There you go. Now, I don't like that one, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. It's editable and you can make it how you want to make it. So if you need a last minute gift idea, that's an easy one right there. And if you want to just get the pictures that I have, then down below you can select the link and it's going to take you to my site and you can just purchase the bundle. It's a Canva. They're all in Canva and they're 16 by 28 by 10 pictures, but you can resize them if you need to. But that's it. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to share my idea with you, what I did, and it worked out fabulous. So there you have it. And Christmas is 3 days away. So today is the 21st when I'm filming this, actually, but it's really late. So it's going to be the 22nd, maybe by the time you see this. So this is a great last minute idea. All right. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friend.